Do you remember what this coin is called? This coin is called a penny. Of course, it's not a real penny. This is a real penny. I'm just using this one because it's easier to see the picture. Do you remember whose face is printed on the front of the penny? Abraham Lincoln's face. He was our 16th president. If we turn the penny over on the back, we're going to see a shield. And inside of that shield is 13 stripes. See the 13 stripes? And those 13 stripes represent the 13 colonies when our country was really small and very young. Do you remember how much the penny is worth? The penny is worth 1 cent. That's why we count by ones when we count pennies, because they're worth 1 cent. Do you remember what this coin is called? This coin is called a nickel, and this is the size of a real nickel. Do you remember whose face is on the nickel? This is Thomas Jefferson's face. He's on the nickel. And on the back side is a picture of his house. It's called the Monte Carlo. He built this house. Do you remember how much this nickel is worth? Nickels are worth 5 cents. That's why we count by fives when we count nickels, because they're worth 5 cents. This is a dime. Do you know whose face is on the dime? Franklin Roosevelt's face is on the dime. If you turn the dime over on the back, you're going to see a torch, you're going to see an olive branch, and you're going to see an oak branch. The olive branch represents peace, and the oak branch represents strength. We talked about counting by ones when we counted pennies. So when we count pennies, we count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when we count nickels, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. When we count dimes, we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. So we're going to be learning how to count money really soon. So I want you to stay tuned and watch the next video coming up.